Hello viewer, in this video all about YouTube and error occurred problem solution or how to fix YouTube and error occurred. Open your phone setting, scroll down and find out apps. Now search YouTube app, go to YouTube. Now scroll down and go to storage. From here, clear cache data from the right lower corner. Now go back to your home screen. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search YouTube app. Make sure your YouTube app is updated. If your YouTube app is not updated, please update your YouTube app. Now after complete your YouTube app update, go to your home screen. Now again open your phone setting. Now go to your connection setting and make sure your internet connection is stable, because sometimes unstable internet connection can occur YouTube and error occurred problem.